Alright, we are back with another episode of WJ Handy Dad decommissions a police car. This is another one that my department bought. I'm guessing it's at least second hand, maybe third hand. The other one was definitely third hand because it had multiple paint jobs on it. This one has got to be an 09, 10, or 11. It's got some sort of solar panel there. I don't know what that's all about. So you see the exempt plates, and it is arguably rougher than the other one. The other one was an 08. Both of them have the brake lights on, the ABS lights on, the check engine light on, airbag light on, the low tire light on, although as you can see, the tires have air. So I'm going to be removing these decals so that my department can put its own on. So we got the light bar. That's what I said, it's probably at least second, if not third hand, because they've obviously plugged something there, and that was before my department got it. Goodies we got in here. They literally bought this thing in service, although I think it had been sitting for a couple years, what they said. Anyway, I doubt any of this stuff is going to be usable other than maybe the spare, although it's probably out of date, even though the tread looks great on it. We got paperwork from the prior department, all sorts of stuff in there, and that one's empty. God only knows what that stuff is. So this has got plastic prisoner seat, bunch of garbage in there. I don't know what those seat covers are supposed to be. They look like they go to the front seats. I bet they were going to replace those, and then they ended up probably just getting new cars. You see, we have a fuse there on the ground. Rat's nest of wires there. All of this stuff still, I think, is hooked up. Got double spotlights. See, this driver's seat's pretty worn out. I bet they were going to just put those covers on it. Okay, y'all are going to salivate over the mileage. $94,900.3. But if you give it a second, all the lights will kick on, brakes, ABS, all of that. So it has an oil change sticker there. 97 is the next oil change, so it must have literally just got an oil change right before they got rid of it. This one, the door locks work. I didn't try the windows. And I'll show you. We do have working lights. And you can hear the relays clicking off in here. So yeah, and another Crown Vic revived for another tour of duty. And other than the little nuisance stuff that's going on with it, it should be a pretty good car. Just like the other one, brake fluid is black and needs to be flushed. This one, the power steering is a little high. Coolant looks just a teensy bit low for a hot engine. I didn't check the oil, but other guy did, said it was looking good. I didn't check the transmission fluid. It drives okay. I mean, again, it's not as nice as my Crown Vics, but you know, it is what it is. It's been abused, obviously. So if I gave it some WJ Handy Dad TLC, it'd be a heck of a vehicle. I don't know how much they're going to want to hire me to do. Like I said, other than right now, they're just having me take all the decals off. So that is what I'm going to do. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm going to put the code reader on it and see what it says. Alright, let's see what we find here. The old auto scan. Okay, so this is a 2010. The other one was an 08. So it's funny, it's the same years that I own. Ooh, look at those failures popping up. Holy moly. So 6 powertrain, 2 ABS. Of course, who knows, you know, the other one, it looked like it was possibly like a wire cut somewhere that may have caused all of them. But see, we got failures in every module so far. Interesting. It's funny that you can still drive them though. So failures in 6 modules out of 6, because it doesn't have 10, it's just got 6. Alright, trouble report. Ooh, random misfire detected. 5 and 8. Misfire in startup. Fuel level circuit. Readiness of onboard battery out of spec. ECU fault. Circuit failure, passenger error. I have a feeling that one, you see they pulled that out there, and that was one that I had on my, I think it was my 08. The bulb died, and so that happened, and you just put a new bulb in there, but they've ripped the whole thing out, so that was kind of dumb. So they're always going to have an airbag until they fix that. Impact sensor fault of restraint. So that suggests they had an impact. See, fault from external node, battery voltage is low. See, those battery voltage is low, who knows? Is that real, or was that just at some point, since it had a low battery, they had to replace the battery? I don't know if that would show up still. So I will screenshot these, send them to my city so they can decide what they want to do, if they want to try to have me work on any of this, or they just want to send it to a professional mechanic. You know, some of this I can probably fix, possibly even cheaper, but you know, it's possible that I can't. So there you go, 2010 P7B, 152,727 kilometers. I don't know why it always shows kilometers on these, because I have it set to mileage, but you know, it is what it is. So I'll save that report, and I will send that to my city. And something's beeping in here, God only knows what. This is my first time in the car, so I'm not familiar with all the equipment they have in it. There's quite a bit, obviously, lots of random switches and so forth. So I was really disappointed that AC doesn't work because it is hot today. But one window works, one does not. The rear ones work. I bet all that beeping was this stuff here. My scan tool sitting on it. All right, off to actually do work now. And here is the after. I did not clean the glue off. And this, I don't know what that is. It's not vinyl. You see, I did chip that there. It's like it's glue or something. I'm wondering if some of this seemed like they glued it, like it fell off and they glued it back on. So, anyway, this isn't my best work, but I'm rushed and I gotta take the car back now. So that's as good as it's gonna get right now.